Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader, known as Fijian Traders. This is Mr. Singh. OCGN, Organ Therapeutics, man, what a phenomenal day we're having at sitting at $1.08. And we just have the pullback right now sitting at $1.07. But this is some exciting news. Finally we're seeing it and I'm so pumped about it. And why I'm so pumped about it? Because we are having and will be having a great weeks and months to come, because there is a lot of information I want to cover with you guys and I'm excited about it. So apologies for not sending the video in this entire week, because I wanted to see where we're heading, news and everything, get everything, my due diligence ready before I share with you guys. So with further ado, let's talk on the fundamental. What are we looking at it? The target still stays the same, folks. $7.50. It is gonna be that, but the highest target it is $8, even though the low is at $7. And you're looking at about 614% upside. I am not pumping, I am not selling it, but this company have been trading for a long time as even a swing trader on this stock. But this, when I got this opportunity at a discounted price, I never want to miss the stocks like that. And why we are moving, right? Why we are moving? Because the news that came out on Wednesday was one of the great news, because it's announcing OCGN is announcing the dosing completion of the subjected of a geographic in core 1 phase, and the trial evaluating of safety and for the OCGU of 410. This is going to be the game changer. News like that, it promotes, because they are very known on the cell therapies and vaccines for the clinical data, which and this is so important for the growth of the company, and investors like us want to hear that. And when investors see there's a company has proven and delivered, right, and not just full of smoke talk about it and don't deliver it, the investors do not invest money on that, and the stock does not move at all, because it does sometimes, it matches with that, sometimes it doesn't, but most of the times it does matches on the technical side and the fundamentals. So great to see how the company is doing it, coming up with announcing the completion subjects and for the phase phase trial of 1 and 2 clinical, and this is great. But we're not done yet, because what's going to happen, it's going to be the March this month on 29th, right? We have the fourth quarter innings coming up, and right now the current consensus is negative of minus 6 cents, where last year was 1 cent. Moderate buy is still there, but it's only for 2 analysis is still, and you can see time and time estimated what was it and what was the reported. So we've been really close on the estimated side, so I won't be surprised when we have it and we're gonna beat the estimate. Yes folks, I am fully confident that we're gonna be beating the estimates, and I am already started doing the financial for the OCGN. And what are we looking at it? Because so far what I'm looking, it looks very confident, but I have not finished it. That's why I'm not sharing the data and information with you guys on this video. But in the video coming up, I'm going to be sharing you the earnings of OCGN and what are we looking at it. Fundamentally, the company is doing great, doing all those road shows and talking about where this company is heading and what stages they're at. And I like it because they is promoting their product as well. Also on my portfolio, yes folks, I am not going anywhere. I am still sitting here hefty on that and up on my percentage level, and I'm excited about it, holding about 34,000 shares, and I don't mind holding this stock for another 2 years to see a $7 run on that. I am absolutely not in the rush to sell it, and I do invest money heavily on the big stocks as well. OCGN is a sleeper stock, and definitely don't want to see that. Nvidia is one of my biggest investors I ever done it, and you can clearly see that I'm green also on that. So you go ahead and check it out if you're looking something to like, because my portfolio is very devised on that. I do invest a lot of money on it, but it is very devised on and it is not just based on one industry, just not on medical field, also on EV sectors, also on retail, real estate, you name it, and I'm investing the money. When the time is right, I buy them on the shares, and I do talk about on the technical side, which I'm going to talk about next. What are the key levels we're looking at it? What is the key, where we heading? And that's something that I talk on my video and where my money is placed on. Well, further ado, let's talk about the technical analysis. Man, that is the way I shine on that, way I have been doing this my 13th year going, and I'm excited about it because you learn more every day. You learn something different in life, in term, and also in terms of trading, because it comes with patience, and with patience comes with a game plan where for your entry and exit is very important. You don't want to put your emotions, right? I'm not here, I'm not, this video is not about trading it's basically just about when to know when is it's an uptrend or a downtrend, and you have to accept it rather than just hoping. Hope is for something that you don't want to, people do put it as a hope, oh, this thing is going to go up. As the market just closed right now, we closed today at $1.08, and I'm excited about it. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So this is the 5-day chart. What have we seen? I talked about my previous video about 98 cents. You can clearly see that we were struggling and we broke out, and my next one sitting at $1.08. Tested, rejected, tested, and even today we went $1.09 and we got rejected quickly, even though we closed on my resistance that I mentioned in my previous video. This is not I just made anything. Go ahead and check it out, which I'm going to attach on the video at the end. And we couldn't break out. But it is a great news. Why it is a great news? Because on the on the 5-day chart, I'm seeing a reversal, because we did have this sell-off, came back here, tested it because people locked their profit and sell it. You see this yellow on the MACD, it has a crossover. Crossover means it is an uptrend still. The momentum is still there, and it's a changeover coming in. We're gonna shift the gear to the 1 month. And why I was so skeptical about it, I said, folks, it is not over yet, because when we came close right here at 89 cents, and some people thought, okay, we are coming back, and I said, no, we are not. We're gonna be trading sideways in between those two patterns, right? And 89 cents and 98 cents, we've been trading in between, and then we shifted the gear. We shifted the gear between the next level, where it's gonna be a 98 cents to $1.08, and you can clearly see that we have been trading in between there. Now this is a 1 month chart. The pink line, it is my beautiful 200-day EMA, a moving average, and my EMA of $1.02. So we are trading above those moving average. And on the 1 month chart, we are seeing green. And what we ended today, oh my God, I am so pumped up, because $1.50 is coming. $1.50 is coming. $1.50 is coming. Yes, I can clearly see that, because it is creating that momentum through the earnings. So the next stop is $1.08, and then $1.21, and then $1.50. Those are the key levels you have. You have nothing in between. Why I am saying there's nothing in between those two levels is you can clearly see that we went high, gapped up, and we come down. Because when we were talking about it, we were sitting here at 50 cents, and I said we've been going to be trading sideways, and we were gaining momentum. And when we had this breakthrough, right, of a, clearly see that when you're 60 days up, we had the breakthrough from 52 cents all the way to $1.50. Things as 3 times on that profit. People is going to smash it, take it, and now everybody came back, and guess what? Our pink line, which is our moving average, is acting as a support, and it is trading on the side, on uptrend. So it is about to be a breaking out pattern, and now it's making that upper higher highs and higher lows. When we reset it back again, tested high, pull back. Now we went to the next level, tested high, we pull back. So you might be seeing trading between right here, and I'm gonna draw my chart over here and show you guys what I mean. Is going to be trading in between right here, which we are doing right now. Come back again, testing back again, and then even a little bit more pullback, coming testing that moving average, and then back again, and then we're going to shoot off. This is going to be the bull flag pattern. This is a bull flag pattern when I see a bull flag pattern, but this is so important, folks, because what's going to happen, every technical analysis on the 6-month chart, and I'm going to show you guys right here. Look at on the technical side, you see a green bar. When you see a green bar start happening, it is creating that volume. We had a good amount of volume today, but not as much I'd love to see it when we were trading between $1.20. But volume predicts price. We didn't have a lot of volume, and that's why I'm saying that we need more volume comes in on that. And once we see a little bit more volume comes in and kicks the gear to $1.20, oh man, then you'll see the volume picks up. Still shows you guys where we're sitting at it. 3 NLC still have a buy rating at that. I know. What if the low is $4? The lowest is $4 and the average is $6. I am so confident we're going to be sitting right over the between $6 to $7 end of this year, and that is where it's heading. And I'm really excited about it, what I'm seeing right now on the technical side. And so what's the next stop before I let you guys go is $0.08. We are testing to close today. $1.21. Here we come on next week on Monday and testing higher highs. So be lookout. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on the notification so you do not miss anything on OCGN. Next video is coming up. My plan is to do the video on Monday, actually. Yes, my plan is to do a video on Monday to see where we at and send another update out frequently on OCGN. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button and turn on the notification. And thank you so much, and have a wonderful, great weekend. Thank you.